Hey, what's up, everybody? I am just got home from work and sitting on the couch for just a minute, and I wanted to try out my new Sony ZV-E10. Just came in today and was looking to both a little bit upgrade video quality over my ZV-1 and Canon 90D, and also have a smaller package with interchangeable lenses as opposed to the very large DSLR. But I also wanted to be able to shoot two camera and have the footage, somewhat match. I've got a Canon 90D and a ZV-1. The ZV-1's kind of like my webcam. I use it for streaming, Zoom calls, business meetings, and just carrying it around, traveling. And it's great. Like, the video quality is amazing to use as a webcam. It's easy to carry. The Canon 90D 4K and 1080 is amazing too, but it's not consistent, and the color and white balance are very hard to match with the Sony ZV-1. So I thought having the ZV-E1 or E10 would allow me to just set both of them up and do a two camera shoot, and or just use them for different things, and the footage would work together. So if this works out and it works really well, probably gonna sell the Canon and get rid of the Canon glass and everything that I've acquired over the years, and go full on Sony. The reason I got this camera was to be able to have the interchangeable lenses, and to be able to just carry a kind of a small form factor camera with a couple of lenses to go shoot when I'm visiting factories. If you don't know, we started our own brand of shoes, Michael Ellis Footwear. It's launched just a few months ago, and going really well, but we had some issues with the factories, having difficulties with the supply chain globally, COVID issues, and the first production run that we had lots of issues that cost in the tens of thousands of dollars. So we are going to go to the factory and tour it for the first time. We weren't able to go during COVID because of a lot of travel restrictions. So very excited to be traveling to India to visit this factory. Then I'll be going to Mexico to visit a factory we have down there that's making some shoes for us. And I'm really hoping to get some footage of them actually making shoes, and maybe get a little bit of B-roll type footage for the brand to show how these factories hand to make shoes, just like they did hundreds of years ago, but with modern equipment and modern technologies. It's really fascinating to see in person. So I wanted to kind of upgrade my camera setup just a little bit. So I'm going to be going and touring all these factories and making some videos for the brand, but I also wanted to make videos for my YouTube channel and kind of take you guys along and show you how we're developing our own line of shoes, how we're designing the products, working with the factories to get the prototypes and the samples made and approved, go into production and make them, import them into the country, and get them on Amazon and our website, selling them to hopefully millions of people. So I wanted to take you guys along for that process, and also make other videos about starting and growing a small business or an e-commerce business, and bring you guys along as we build our business these next couple of years. So really liking the Sony ZV-E10 so far. It's working great. I have just a couple of lights on in my house. It's kind of dark, and the video quality looks amazing. The sound quality, I've just got a really cheap kind of a mini shotgun mic sitting on the shoe mount, and it's a pretty small setup for a here, let me shoot some video with my iPhone, and I'll show you from this angle what we're looking at here. So you can see from a DSLR standpoint, it's very compact, large compared to the Sony ZV-1, but small compared to a Canon 90D DSLR. So very cool. My lens is dirty. Try that again. Oh, much better. So as you can see, compared to the DSLR like a Canon 90D, this is, quite small, large compared to a ZV-1, and the ZV-1 will still have a place as I travel. I'll carry it as well, but this will get amazing B-roll footage going into factories. I mean, I am really excited about getting some close-up, blurred background, great bokeh footage of shoes being made. So that's the whole point of getting this. And we are also building a product photography studio at the warehouse. So we're going to be putting together the ability to do lots of merchandising product shots. So in the spring, in the summer, in the winter, fall, when we get new styles in from all of the brands that we carry, still 40 some odd brands that we carry at 2 Big Feet, and also our own brand of shoes, that we can do these kind of staged photo shoots with props and with different backgrounds that look, that allow us to, make salesy ads for the products, not just the product shots that we have a photo booth for. So we're setting that up right now. Hope to have it put together before I leave to go touring some factories. Really excited about everything that's coming up. Hope you'll subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified of new videos about building your own brand and building your own business, manufacturing products and importing them, selling them on Amazon. All of these are going to be really, really fun. Hope you guys will come along with us on this journey, and we'll see you next time.